Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will discuss the Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0369, known as CMP Sensor Circuit Intermittent Interruption, specifically for the Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022. This code indicates that there is an intermittent interruption in the circuit of the Camshaft Position, CMP sensor, which plays a critical role in the engine's timing and performance. The CMP sensor helps the engine control module, ECM, determine the position of the camshaft, influencing engine timing and fuel injection. An issue with this sensor can cause poor engine performance, stalling, or failure to start. The P0369 can be identified through onboard diagnostics using a Honda Diagnostic System, HDS tool. We will go through a detailed troubleshooting guide to address this code and ensure your Honda Pilot operates efficiently. The DTC P0369 relates to the Camshaft Position, CMP sensor circuit, which is crucial for accurate engine timing. The CMP sensor is located near the camshaft and is responsible for sending precise data regarding the position of the camshaft to the engine control module, ECM. This information allows the ECM to manage fuel injection and ignition timing effectively. An intermittent issue in the circuit means that sometimes the sensor may send erroneous signals or fail to communicate, disrupting the engine's performance. Detecting this problem early helps avoid severe performance issues, such as stalling or difficulty in starting the vehicle. Proper function of the CMP sensor is vital to maintaining optimal engine operation and efficiency in the Honda Pilot. Several factors can cause the DTC P0369. One common issue is poor connections or loose terminals at the CMP sensor or the powertrain control module, PCM. Such problems can lead to intermittent signal loss, resulting in erratic engine performance. Another potential cause is a damaged CMP sensor itself, which may fail to deliver accurate information to the ECM. Additionally, the condition of the camshaft pulley is critical, as a faulty CMP pulse plate can disrupt the sensor's operation. Each of these scenarios warrants careful inspection to determine the root cause of the circuit interruption. Diagnosing these issues promptly ensures reliable vehicle performance and can save on costly repairs in the future. Drivers may experience several symptoms associated with DTC P0369. One prevalent symptom is engine stalling, which can be dangerous, especially while driving. Poor acceleration can also occur, as the engine may struggle to perform optimally due to incorrect timing adjustments from the ECM. Additionally, drivers might notice difficulty in starting the engine, particularly after it has been turned off. These symptoms indicate a potential issue with the CMP sensor or its associated circuitry, and addressing them quickly is crucial for maintaining vehicle safety and performance. If allowed to persist, these symptoms can lead to more significant engine issues that may require extensive repairs. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P0369 begins with turning the vehicle to the on mode, preparing it to run diagnostic tests. Once the vehicle is in this mode, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS tool, clear the DTC from the system. This action resets any fault codes and allows the vehicle to be monitored afresh. After clearing the DTC, start the engine and let it idle for approximately 10 seconds. During this idle period, the system collects data to check if the DTC will reappear. It's essential to monitor the OBD status for DTC P0369 in the DTC menu with the HDS. If the HDS indicates a failed status, you will move forward to the next troubleshooting step, effectively narrowing down the issue at hand. In the second troubleshooting step, you are required to test drive the vehicle for several minutes. This drive needs to be conducted within the ranges of the previously recorded freeze data parameters. Specifically, observing engine speed and vehicle speed. By replicating these conditions, you can better assess how the engine performs in real-world scenarios. While driving, monitor the OBD status for DTC P0369 using the HDS tool. If the HDS indicates a failed status during this test drive, the failure can be duplicated, which confirms an ongoing issue. Conversely, if the HDS shows a passed status, it may indicate an intermittent failure that the system is currently managing. In this case, you will need to check for poor connections or loose terminals. The third troubleshooting step involves a thorough check of the CMP sensor circuit, connectors, and terminal conditions. Start by examining the connections at the CMP sensor, as well as those at the PCM, or Powertrain Control Module. It's vital to ensure these connections are secure and free from corrosion or dirt. Additionally, assess the engine ground and body ground connections, since poor grounding can initiate electrical issues. If all connections and terminals appear to be in good condition, you can proceed to the next step. However, if any connections are loose or corroded, they should be repaired immediately to restore reliable operation and communication within the engine management system. In the final step of troubleshooting DTC P0369, you will need to visually inspect the CMP pulse plate located on the front camshaft pulley. This component is integral to the sensor's operation and can cause significant issues if damaged. If you find damage to the pulse plate, it will need to be replaced with a new front camshaft pulley, as this directly affects the performance of the CMP sensor. If the pulse plate is undamaged, the next course of action would be to replace the CMP sensor itself, as it may be malfunctioning. This detailed examination is crucial to ensure that any faults in the CMP sensor circuit are adequately addressed and that your Honda Pilot remains dependable. After completing the necessary repairs related to DTC P0369, it's essential to perform a final verification of your work. Begin by rechecking the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to ensure that the previous fault has been cleared and no new codes have emerged. Following this diagnostic check, verify that the engine operates smoothly without stalling or exhibiting poor acceleration. This real-world test lets you assess the success of the repairs. Finally, ensure that all repairs effectively address the initial problem without any remaining issues. This comprehensive verification process confirms that the vehicle is back to its optimal performance level. Preventive maintenance is a crucial aspect of ensuring the longevity and reliability of your Honda Pilot, especially regarding the CMP sensor system. It's advisable to regularly inspect the CMP sensor and its related circuitry to spot potential issues before they evolve into more significant problems. Additionally, routinely checking electrical connections for corrosion or looseness is vital in maintaining a reliable connection and ensuring optimal performance. Ensuring that engine ground integrity is upheld will further prevent electrical disturbances, contributing to the overall efficiency of the vehicle. By incorporating these maintenance tips, you can prevent issues related to DTC P0369 and enhance the reliability of your engine in the long run. In conclusion, the diagnostic trouble code P0369 indicates potential issues within the CMP sensor circuit of the Honda Pilot. Identifying the root cause through detailed troubleshooting steps is critical for restoring proper engine function. Each step, from problem verification to thorough inspections, plays a vital role in diagnosing and addressing the issue effectively. Furthermore, implementing preventive maintenance practices can avoid future failures and enhance long-term reliability. Maintaining awareness about the CMP sensor's role and regularly checking its condition will ensure that you enjoy a well-functioning vehicle. By following this guide, you equip yourself to handle the P0369 issue efficiently, ultimately leading to a smoother driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.